Welcome back to day 4, 100 days of DevOps practical learning series. Today we will work or complete enhanced security with SELinux on Linux server. Let's go step by step. First step, install SELinux package. If install, to don't need to install this step. First, we need to install the required SELinux package on Red Hat or CentOS system. Just we run command sudo yum update. First of all, I update my package manager. Okay, updated. Next, run the first command sudo yum install -y means yes to all SELinux policy SELinux policy targeted policy core util. Just hit enter. I think this is already installed, so no need to install again. And if you use to Ubuntu or Debian based Linux, you just install apt package manager. Just I input here sudo apt update, then apt install SELinux utils and SELinux basic and policy core units. That's install. Maximum time we install SELinux, but if you fresh clean OS setup, I think you need to install. Okay, second step, let's check the current SELinux status using our command line. Just AC status, hit enter. The SELinux status is enable and the current mode is permissive. The output might show enforcing or permissive disable, but remember, we don't care about the current status, if any, on right now. Our goal is permanently disable it. So step 3, we can modify our SELinux configuration file to permanently action, disable, enforce or permissive. So my target is disable permanently SELinux. That's why I open the configuration file and modify some setting. Now open the configuration file sudo v or vim. I use vim because I used to this editor. etc SELinux config. Hit enter. You see the all SELinux related configuration file here. You just scroll down and see the SELinux is permissive. And we are check the SELinux status. We also see the SELinux current mode is permissive, but we are goal to disable it. Just change the permissive. I hit keyboard I. This is insert mode of vim command. Just remove it, and you can use enforcing for if need to enforce. I need to disable, that's why I input disable and ESC button to back command mode of vim text editor, and shift colon used. W means write, Q means quiet, and exclamatory sign means force, and hit enter. Then I check the my configuration is correct or not. That's why I used sudo grep means show command, grep SELinux Linux equal etc SELinux and config file. I think my mistake command. Give me a time. My command is right. Grave SELinux equal etc Linux config. This command or this command same, but I did not know how to did not work it. Just input the command and you can see the value SELinux disable and the configuration file is enable. And need to reboot if you use to any schedule maintenance reboot, then your system is automatically reboot after the apply configuration. And if don't use to schedule maintenance reboot in your system, just reboot here, and after reboot the SELinux is permanently disable. And that's we successfully install SELinux and permanently disable SELinux on our Linux server. After next reboot, the system will be reflect the change. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the day 5 of our 100 days of DevOps series. Thank you everyone.